Did you read the article in the paper about the big iceberg that just broke off from an ice shelf in Antarctica? They think it's one of the biggest pieces of ice ever to break free from the continent.
I saw the headlines, but I haven't read the story. How big is it?
Over 2,000 square miles, according to the article.
Wow! There are states smaller than that.
I know. It's terrible. It means that this particular ice shelf is now 12% smaller. It's such a frightening thing to happen.
Were scientists expecting this? I mean, they usually keep a close watch on this type of thing.
Yes, they've been observing the area all through the Antarctic winter. They could see that it would break off when the warmer temperatures arrived. They used satellites from the European Space Agency to analyze what was happening.
So, is this another event connected with climate change? It seems like there's something on the news every month about how the planet is getting warmer. To be honest, I'm getting angry about that whole thing. I mean, it has an awful effect on the wildlife down there. All those poor birds and animals and the beautiful scenery.
Well, first of all, the experts say this has nothing to do with climate change. It's completely natural for pieces of the continent to break off. There's even a special name for it: calving.
Carving? Like cutting things with a knife?
No, calving. Calving. Like when a cow has a baby. I mean, a calf. The article says the ice might grow back, or there could be more big icebergs in the future. Scientists are divided on the future of the area.
You know, I'm pretty sure every time this happens, the sea level rises.
Well, not this time, fortunately. The ice that broke off was already floating. It wasn't fixed to the ocean floor, so there will be no effect on sea levels.
Maybe not. But it's still going to be dangerous if it gets near the shipping routes.
Well, the writer says it's a long way from the routes that most ships travel.
But I remember there was a ship that sank a few years ago. That hit an iceberg, I'm sure.
Yes, they mention it here. The MS Explorer, back in 2007, they had to save 150 passengers and crew from the ship.